Privacy, sophistication, and timeless architecture. This Rancho Santa Fe estate is the embodiment of luxury and delivers so much more. Nestled on over 3 beautiful acres with direct access to the community's scenic riding trails, this expansive single-level residence offers nearly 8,000 square feet of thoughtfully reimagined living space. The home features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a brand new custom kitchen, spa-inspired bathrooms, a richly wood-paneled office, private theater, and curated designer finishes throughout. A detached guest house and versatile bonus structure, perfect as an art studio, fitness space, or additional guest quarters, provide exceptional flexibility. The resort-style grounds are an entertainer's dream, showcasing a sparkling pool, spa, full outdoor kitchen, fireplace, vast grassy lawn, and lush, mature landscaping. Just minutes from the Rancho Santa Fe Golf Club, the Village, and top-rated schools, this property seamlessly combines elegance, privacy, and convenience in one remarkable offering. Experience the pinnacle of Rancho Santa Fe living, where timeless elegance meets effortless luxury.